pretend like this is a new thing. Really, that's what it's been like.
I had another little altercation, little altercation, with the, school board won't talk to me. So it was a couple mass shootings that happened, right? And I'm the PTA president, so I got to do what I need to do to defend my school. I can't concern myself about other people's schools. I got to defend my school. So, sometimes I can be conventional, and other times I can be a little unconventional in my when my kids concerned. So my daughter goes there, and then I'm protecting other people's children. I employed some I employed some fellas from my old neighborhood that wasn't doing nothing. They unemployed, I'm trying to move the economy forward. And so sometimes people don't know how to utilize certain people. You got to know how to utilize people. FBI know how to utilize people. I didn't get this just out of my own brain. I got this from watching a movie that I saw where someone was being utilized. Brother, let me put your foot down that way, because see, if I come this way and step on your foot, then you lawsuit me because I got a little bread. Don't do me like that. So, this is the thing. Because you in my workspace. I step on his foot, all of a sudden I done broke his toe. Y'all, he bullshit. So I employed these guys that I know, right? And some members. What you do? Did I bring that heat on you? Okay, he just asked you about something else? Okay, cool. I ain't know what he said. I ain't want to come over there and keep your motherfucking foot down all the goddamn. I ain't know what he said. I was just making sure that okay, he brought you to go by. Okay, go. I ain't want to be the one. He like, look, I leave the motherfucking people jumping over me and shit now. Okay. So some of my friends, right? I gave some assignments. I said, hey man, look, y'all boys ain't doing nothing. I'ma pay y'all $20 an hour. I need about 12 people. And I need y'all on different corners of the school. You can just be in your vehicle, but just watch the school and make sure nobody come up to the school with no funny business. The boy like, shit, we can stay in our car. You ain't gotta get out the car unless you see something suspicious. Shit, what time you need to be up there? School lady in at 8. But I'm saying about 7 before school. Shit, we be there. Shit, we there. We there, baby. On everything. And they there. They there. Whole school year. I'm paying this money out from the PTA fund.
PTA fund.
Making sure the school is safe. And everything's going well, right? Don't nobody know nothing's happening. These same cars out there, and they switch corners, but they got the school covered. And these boys are dedicated. Now they dedicated to it. They got shirts. These boys got shirts. Say PTA Patrol. These boys got shirts. And they just chilling. They doing what they doing in their car.